Okay, Danny, let's see. Let's see if this will help. So we've got y equals the square root of x. So if you put in numbers, if we make a little table of values, what numbers can we put in for x? We can put 0 in. Square root of 0 is going to be 0. There's 0, 0. And then you can also put in perfect squares like 1. What's the square root of 1 is 1. And then the next perfect square is 4. Square root of 4 would be 2. So these numbers, if you plot the square root function, starts at the origin, goes up 1 over 1, and then if you go over 4, and up 2, so it's really up 2 and over 4, it's half of a sideways U. So if I were to take y equals the square root of x plus a 2, I would take this function and shift it up 2. So you could always put in values in for x. If I put 0 in, I get the square root of x is 0 plus 2 is 2, so I have 0, 2. I can put 1 in. Square root of 1 is 1 plus 2 is 3. It's at 1, 3. And the next perfect square would be 4. So the square root of 4 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. So it's at 4, 4, which is up 2 over 4 from that starting point. All right, so let's see if we get shifted. So basically, if you have a number that's not in the square root, that goes up or down. And it's the same pattern. From the starting point, it's up 1 over 1, up 2 to the right 4. So let's see one that gets shifted a little bit more. So let's take y equals the square root of x minus 1 plus 3. So the minus 1 is telling you it's going to get shifted to the right 1, and then it's going up 3. It's to the right 1 because if I put 1 in for x, I would get the square root of 0. The square root of 0 plus 3 would be at 1 comma 3. So inside is left or right. In this case, it's to the right 1 and up 3. And then my pattern is up 1 over 1, up 2, and to the right 4. Up 1 over 1, up 2 to the right 4. And if you're not sure, you're really putting these numbers in. The square root of 0, the square root of 1, and the square root of 4. So think about what number do you put in for x to make it 1? Well, you'd have to put 2 in, because 2 minus 1 is 1. The square root of 1 is 1. 1 plus 3 means the point would be at 2 comma 4. And then the next perfect square is 4. What number would you put in for x to be 4? Would be 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. Square root of 4 is 2. 2 plus 3 means that it would be at 5 comma 5, 5, I guess. Yeah. And so you can think of it that way, or if you just remember it's getting shifted to the right 1, up 3. The pattern is up 1 over 1, up 2 to the right 4. So if you're plug numbers in or remember the pattern. So let me know if this doesn't help and we can try some more. All right, thanks. Have a good afternoon.